Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to do funny noises with your pinky. Okay, so first when you're doing it, go like this. Make sure it's not like open like this. Here, it has to be touching like this. So go like that. Make sure it's fully locked, but leave like a little hole right there to put your mouth. And then when you're done with that, put it against your lips like this, and then say girl. So put it against your lips and say girl. Ooh. Dory, 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 Dory. And then when you're done with that, you can make sure it's not like fully closed. Maybe like a little thing right there. Because if it's fully closed, it'll sound like this. But if it's open a little bit, it'll be like this. Dory, 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 Dory. And then I'm going to sing a song. I'm going to sing a funny song in that song. I'll go that. Dory, 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 Dory. Dory, 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 Dory. Dory, 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 Dory. Dory, 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 Dory. Dory, 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 Dory.